Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we're going to explore together the field of large language models, more commonly known as LLMs, one of the indispensable tools for data scientists. But what is an LLM? An LLM, or large language model, is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, program that excels at a variety of tasks, including text generation. These models are often trained on large text datasets, exploiting the principles of machine learning, in particular neural networks, to understand and produce human language. With deep learning as their backbone, these LLMs are able to apprehend the structure of characters, words, and sentences to generatively generate content. Now, these models are proving crucial in a variety of application domains, including code generation, natural language processing for customer service, and many other use cases. Now, their effectiveness largely depends on the quality of the training data, thus influencing the number of parameters to be tuned for optimal performance. Now, thanks to their open source nature, these LLMs offer the flexibility to be adapted to different situations, contributing to their growing use in various fields of general artificial intelligence. How are these LLMs used? Large language models represents a versatile resource, finding application in a variety of fields such as information retrieval. Search engines such as Bing or Google use these models to provide relevant answers to user queries, summarizing and communicating information in a conversational manner, but also sentiment analysis. As natural language processing tools, these models enable companies to assess the sentiment expressed in textual data, but also text generation. They feed generative AI, such as ChatGPT, capable of producing text from stimuli, such as a request or a query, to create a poem in the style of Emily Dickinson, for instance. But also, and finally, code generation. By extension of these text generation, these models can also produce code, including the structures required for this purpose. Chatbots and conversational AI. They facilitate interaction between customers and chatbots or customer service agents, enabling contextual understanding of questions and answers. Apart from their varied applications, large language models are capable of completing sentences, answering questions, and summarizing text, making them relevant in many fields such as technology, healthcare, science, and customer service. As such, they represent a versatile and ubiquitous resource contributing to many aspects of our daily lives in almost every industry. But how do these LLMs actually work? LLMs are based on machine learning. This is a key component of AI, which trains them to recognize the characteristics of data without human interaction. More specifically, they leverage deep learning, a method in which models analyze large quantities of data to differentiate complex patterns. This approach is based on neural networks, structures inspired by the human brain, which processes information through layers of interconnected nodes. To find out more about machine learning, you can watch our video on the subject. The link is in the description of this YouTube video. And thanks to these techniques, LLMs can interpret human language, even in ambiguous or novel contexts, demonstrating an ability to grasp semantics and generate text in a relevant way. But what are the advantages and especially limitations of LLMs? What sets LLMs apart from traditional programs is their ability to respond to unpredictable queries. Whereas a video game or application follows a pre-established interaction, an LLM analyzes human language to provide logical answers to unstructured questions. However, their reliability depends on the quality of the data, which can lead to erroneous or even invented answers. LLM-based applications are prone to bugs and manipulation to provide problematic answers, even risking exposure of confidential data. So you see, large language models are essential tools for data scientists, offering a wide range of applications in diverse fields such as text generation, sentiment analysis, and customer interaction. Their use represents a major advance in the field of AI, opening up new opportunities for innovation and technological progress. Now, if you'd like to learn more about LLMs and their applications in data science, we encourage you to explore our data scientist or machine learning engineer courses. These courses will provide you with the fundamental principles of machine learning and all of the aspects you need to know to better understand the major language models and their applications. In the meantime, subscribe so you don't miss any more of our upcoming videos, and see you soon at Data Scientist.